Honestly, thousands of people are using AI every day right now. They're writing content, generating visuals, automating tasks, and yet they're not making any money. This isn't because AI is useless. It's because it's being completely misused. There's a very specific way to use AI that generates revenue. A system that doesn't rely on luck, followers, or going viral. And the strange thing is, almost nobody talks about it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what this strategy is, how it works, and why most people will completely miss it even after watching it. Most people think that making money with AI is all about finding the right tool. They jump from one platform to another. Today, they're trying ChatGPT. Tomorrow, they're moving on to something else. They watch tons of tutorial videos, copy commands, try random ideas, and after a while, they all say the same thing. AI is too powerful, and it's not working. I don't know how to make money with it. I can't do it, because they focus on tools instead of systems. This is exactly where almost everyone fails. Because tools don't make money, systems do. Now let me explain what I mean in a very simple way. Imagine you give two people access to exactly the same AI tools, the same software, the same features, the same capabilities. One is constantly making money. The other quits after a few weeks. So what's the difference? It's not intelligence. It's not experience. It's not effort at all. The difference is structure. A person who makes money doesn't wake up and think, let me try something with AI today. They already have an established system, a clear flow, something like this. First, they identify a demand. Then, they use AI to create something that meets that demand. Next, they distribute it in a way that attracts attention. And finally, they connect that attention to a monetization point. It sounds simple when you hear it like that, but most people skip at least one of these steps. And usually the most important one, demand. That's where things get interesting. Because AI has made creation so easy that people have stopped thinking about whether what they're creating actually wants someone. They just produce more content, more design, more ideas. But there's no direction or demand. They just produce. So what happens? They publish videos nobody watches. They produce products nobody buys. They produce content that disappears into nothingness. Not because this content is bad, but because it's detached from reality. The strategy I'm talking about completely reverses that. Instead of starting with AI, you start with attention. You start by asking a very simple question. What are people paying attention to right now? Not things that might work. Not things that seem clever. Not even things you personally like. They only pay attention to things that work. Because attention leaves cues. And in today's world, those cues are everywhere. Trending videos, viral topics, recurring patterns. If something gets millions of views, there's a reason for it. If a particular type of content keeps popping up, there's a demand for it. That's exactly where AI becomes powerful. Not at the beginning, but in the middle. AI isn't an idea. AI is an empowerer. When you understand what people want, AI lets you produce faster, test faster, and scale faster than ever before. But if you skip this first step, AI will only help you fail faster. And most people are doing exactly that without realizing it. They're using powerful tools to move more efficiently in the wrong direction. That's where the real opportunity begins. Because when you combine demand with AI, you're no longer making predictions. You're building something that already has momentum behind it. And when you do it consistently, you don't need luck. You don't need to go viral. You don't even need a large audience initially. You just need a repeatable system. So let's put this into practice. Because right now, you might be thinking, okay, I understand the idea, but how does this translate into real life? Let's explain it in a way you can actually use. Let's say you go on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You start noticing a pattern. Certain types of videos are consistently watched. Not once, not twice, but again and again. The same structure, the same themes, the same emotions. This isn't a coincidence. This is a demand. Instead of trying to come up with a completely original idea, you respond to this demand and start copying it. But here's the difference. You don't copy. You rebuild. That's where AI comes into your advantage. Let's say a certain topic becomes trending. People watch it, they interact with it, they share it. Instead of spending hours researching, writing, and editing, you shorten the entire process by using AI. You generate ideas faster, you structure content faster, you test very strömme. But, more importantly, you stay consistent. Because most people fail at consistency. They start strong, share a few times and get no results. Then they disappear. This isn't because their strategy isn't working, but because they lack a system that allows them to keep going without burnout. AI fixes this. It eliminates friction. It eliminates the "I don't know what to create today" problem. It eliminates the time constraint, and when that friction is gone, implementation becomes easier. Now things get even more interesting, because content isn't the only goal. Attracting attention isn't the end point. It's just the starting point. Most people stop here and start thinking, if I get views, I'll make money. But that's not how it works. Views don't generate money. Systems do. So when you start attracting attention, you need a way to capture it. That's where monetization comes in, but not in the way most people think. You don't need a complex sales funnel. You don't need a big brand. You don't even need your own product initially. You just need a bridge, a simple link between attention and value. For example, you can direct people to a digital product, an affiliate offer, a simple service, or even a simple landing page. It doesn't matter which one you choose initially. What matters is having a clear path, because without that path, attention gets lost. People watch, scroll, forget, and you gain nothing. But with the right structure, even a small amount of attention can turn into something real. Now comes the part most people underestimate: testing. This entire strategy works if you are willing to test. Not once, not twice, but constantly. With different topics, different approaches, different angles. And this is where AI gives you an unfair advantage. Because what used to take days now takes hours, sometimes even minutes. You can create multiple versions of the same idea. Test it, see what works, focus more on that, and remove what doesn't work. That's how you gain momentum. Not by guessing, by observing and adapting. And when something starts to work, you don't stop. You scale it. You repeat the structure. You improve it. You build around it. And over time, it becomes a machine. It's not a one-off success. It's not a random video. But it's a repeatable system. That's the difference between those who make money with AI and those who just play with it. One group is experimenting, the other is building. Now let me be very clear about one thing. This isn't an instantaneous thing. Look, this is very important. Simple but not instantaneous. If you expect results in a few days, you'll give up before it works. You have to be patient. If you consistently follow this structure, things will change. You'll start to see patterns. You understand what works. You stop wasting time on things that don't. And slowly, the results start to accumulate. First small, then noticeable, and then real. That's when you no longer rely on motivation. You're managing a system. And that's the main goal here. Not quick money and exaggeration, but control. Control over your time, control over your productivity, and ultimately control over your income. If you take anything away from this video, it's this. Stop chasing tools. Start building systems. Use AI as a multiplier, not a shortcut. And most importantly, don't just consume this idea. Implement it. Because the people who will actually make money with AI aren't the ones watching these kinds of videos all day. They are the ones who consistently apply a single strategy,